Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog video. As you all know, it's your girl Miss Ashley and you are tuned into the Queen Crown channel. Now as you all can see, I am driving myself to the grocery store so I can go ahead and go purchase a nice juicy papaya. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to juice a papaya as well as talk about the amazing benefits of a papaya. So stay tuned while I go to the grocery store and shop around for a nice juicy papaya. All right, peace. Alright, we are back with a video, and as you all know, I'm going to be getting into the amazing benefits of the papaya as well as allowing you all to see me juice up my papaya, lemon, and ginger. Now my papaya did turn from its bright green color to now this darker green color, which is completely normal because as you all know, the saying is said that darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. So the darker the papaya, the sweeter the juice, and the much more comes out of it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this papaya open as I explained to y'all some of the wonderful benefits that I did find out about the papaya, which is wonderful as its aid in the weight loss, and it has a wonderful aid in helping women that suffer from infertility as well as having problems during their menstrual cycle. Like if you are one of the women that have a very heavy menstrual cycle and you have a very bad cramping while you're on your menstrual, papaya is it for you, girlfriend. Get you some papaya. It's definitely going to help out with that problem as far as bloating, fatigue, and cramps. All right, and also for everyone, brothers and sisters and children and adults, whoever want to use it, papaya is wonderful as far as enzymes and antioxidants. Papaya is also known for detoxing the liver as well as the kidneys. It detoxifies the liver and the kidneys, which is wonderful because we want to keep those main organs filtered. We want to make sure that we're filtering out those main organs, as such as the liver and the kidneys. Also, I found out that papaya is wonderful for killing harmful bacteria that's inside the stomach. Yes, it's known for that. So anything that's harming the stomach as far as parasites, bacteria, harmful bacteria, because you got your good and you got your bad bacteria. So the bad ones is going to get rid of it, and the good ones is going to definitely help aid them and keep them healthy and going. So stay tuned to the end of this video as you all watch me juice this papaya up and drink it. Let's go. Alright, we are done with the papaya juice. As you all can see, it's a beautiful bright orange, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my cup, you all. I am so excited about tasting this. Let's go ahead and give this a try. And yes, it is delicious. It is so delicious, so good, so rich and full of richness. I love it so much. As you all can see, your girl is dancing, honey. I am just like in a bliss right now. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. As you all know, I want to make way much more content like this. If you all like this video, make sure you comment down below and share it. And I love you all. Thank you all for tuning in. Peace.